All right, to coat or not to coat a metal roof. I'm totally against coating a metal roof, and I'm going to explain to you why. Watch this. They coated this part of the roof, but they stopped here. What is the purpose of coating this roof if there's no rust? There's nothing, there's no holes. They had a leak in this area, and so they coated the entire area. What is the purpose? Oh, you cannot find the leak, so they coat the entire place. They still have leaks, okay? You cannot coat a roof and think you're gonna solve the leaks. And let me explain to you why. Before the winter, this is now February, we came here in December and this was leaking here. You see we patched this with turbo poly seal, and look how nice it is. But there's additional leaks, and I'm going to show you. Coating over a seam like this is horrible. You cannot do that because look at see the crack there? You see the crack? See how the silicone cracked? Look. You cannot do that. That will trap the water and push it back in. Everywhere it's like that. You cannot coat a roof and just put coating over a seam like that. You cannot. I'm going to show you how to repair the seam of an existing problem. So this, we're going to do these 3 bays here because we assume it's leaking here. Maybe there, I'm not sure. So we clean this first. So let me explain. Look here. Look, this stuff doesn't even stick. Look, it just peels. Because they cannot clean the roof before they spray on silicone or any sealant. You cannot do that. So obviously it's not holding. You cannot do that. That's why I'm against any coatings. Coating an entire roof. You need to clean it properly. Look at it. All of it just comes off. It's just, there's nothing. So I use turbo poly seal. It's my go-to product. I do this all the time. I've done thousands of seams with this product. And all I do is I put a thick coating on this seam, and you can see how it looks like. This is 3 months or 3 or 4 months ago. 3 months ago. Look at it. Beautiful. Very nice. It doesn't crack. It doesn't come off. It's well done. So that's what it's supposed to look like if you do a seam. Okay. And I coat this. Put this there. Okay, so after I put the coating, I put the fleece. Here's the secret to the whole thing. This is polyester fabric. It's very strong. And you put it over the seam. That is essential. If you don't do that, like the other people, they just coated it with whatever sealant, silicone, and there's no strength in that seam. If that seam moves, over the summer and winter, it cracks that silicone. It will not last. You cannot do that. I don't understand how people think it's going to work. The principle is wrong. So, and then you cover the polyester fabric, the fleece, with another coat of turbo, and voila, it looks like this when you're done. Okay, that's it. It should look like this, but you need to make sure this is tight. You see the opening there at the bottom? You don't want that. You need to bring this fleece tight into the corner there, very tight. Otherwise the water will get underneath it. Then you're defeating the purpose of this. So make sure the fleece is all flat on every part of the surface, no voids underneath it. Okay, and this is how we fix a seam. But I don't like coatings. Coatings causes more problems than what it does good. It doesn't help to have a coating on the roof. Nothing, not a little bit. All right, and that's it. That's how you fix a seam. You take off the silicone and it will look like this. After it cures, it looks like this. Very nice, smooth, nothing gets in and it doesn't break. It's flexible, pliable, doesn't crack. Don't coat a roof, fix the leaks instead. Find the leaks, fix it. All right, see you in the next video.